They like some cat food. These peacocks are eating some cat food now. They love it. It's healthy for them because cat food has more meat. And for these big birds, the cat food has is good protein for them. So it really keeps them healthy. It's good for them. So I give them as a treat. I don't give them as a main food. And they love the treat. When you give cat food, they go crazy. They know that that is good for them. That's the two females and one male peacock. That's how they look. They're so beautiful, huh? And here is the chicken. The chicken try to eat the cat food, and the cats are like watching chicken eat because that rooster, the cats are scared of the rooster because the rooster is the boss. When the rooster comes, the cat is like, I don't know, we don't know what to do. You see? The cats are scared of the rooster. So funny how the hierarchy sometimes changes. Usually the cat should dominate the rooster, but that's not the case. Rooster is like, I am the boss here. I'm going to eat first, and after the chicken is done eating, the rooster is done eating, then the cat will eat. But the rooster eats a lot because he doesn't know when to stop eating. So they're going to wait it out. They don't dare to go near the rooster. The rooster has taught them some lessons by his little beak and claws. There's a little rooster, but he's a feisty one. Kitty cat, go. Try to see what happens. Go eat. Push the rooster off. Kitty cat, go ahead. Go. Okay, I'll try to help you. Hey, rooster, go away. Let the cat eat it. Okay, let's see. The rooster got pissed off. I'm making noises. Let's see. Let's see if the rooster comes back. Rooster is taking a look at it. He might be full now because he was eating a lot. Now these two cats need to figure out who's going to eat. Sometimes they like to argue on food. They don't like to share food sometimes. But these are good cats though. Look at little kitty cat. How's it going? Well, rooster is done, so that's good. Oh, they're so funny.